Good morning, student. Are you happy now? Today is good day for you. India is the first country. I am also Indian. All beginning a new rhymes to yours. God bless you, all student. Never forget to me. Let's start this video. Rhymes name Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Today video ends here. Will be seen again tomorrow. Namaskar. Jai Hind.